Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be analyzing, or rather reviewing, our analysis that we posted on the 27th of August 2022. We're going to be going through USD ZAR, USD CHF, and Euro USD. But before that, I'd like to apologize for not posting as consistently as I know I should. Due to the fact that we live in a country where this country of South Africa, where there's a bunch of load shedding going on and everything like that, I haven't really gotten the opportunity to make videos and post them for you guys. So I would like to apologize for that. I remember making a statement on our official Facebook page, which is the Forex Tribe, apologizing for the exact same thing, for not posting as much as we should. So yes, I'd like to apologize for that, but everything seems to be on the up and up, and expect videos going forward. So as of now, let's get to the review of our analysis, what happened after, and then lessons in which we've learned.
Those that made it.
Right, we're gonna be getting into USD ZAR like we did previously, right? So, like we said before, the market is in a bullish momentum, right? A bullish trend for the longest of time, since around 2008, or rather 2004, they're about. And then if you zoom in, we have been making higher highs and higher lows. Let's go on the daily chart for further analysis of what we're talking about. On the daily, we see the rising momentum quite clearly, creating higher highs and higher highs, as you can see, and higher lows. We see a structure, right? We see, if we place our trend lines, it becomes more and more clear, right? We have some sort of a rising, an ascending channel going to the high. And if you go on the 4-hour, the last time we posted a video, the market was here. The market was here around the 27th to 29th, this weekend here, right? And before that, we did say that we are probably going to be experiencing buy momentum due to the fact that we come from a descending channel right here. As you can see, this is the descending channel that I speak of. First touch, second touch, third touch, the market rose, and then there's a zone here, right? I don't want to get into the analysis, like proper analysis, because we did make a video on this, so you can watch the previous video, the previous analysis, where we break it down in detail, right? So there is this zone here, the one that I highlighted now, and there was a double bottom here, right? So the market did rise for what must be right now 2,274 pips, and while doing so, it created more continuation patterns on top of continuation patterns. Here we see a ascending, or rather an expanding triangle, right? An expanding triangle. We see the same, similar, not the same, but similar kind of pattern right now, right here, right? And hold on, if I put it here, yeah, there we go, right? So yes, the market did go in our favor, right, from this structure. And I believe, if I were to give the previous structure more context, I believe this is a continuation pattern in and of itself, sort of. It's messy, it's not clean, but it's still a continuation pattern regardless. So the market did, on 1 hour, let's go on 1 hour, the market did respect our setup and gave us a ton of continuation patterns. As you can see, here's one, here's another one, here's one, here's one. A lot of opportunities to scale in. Here's an opportunity here, here's another one, and go and so on and so forth. So with USD ZAR, I believe the buy momentum is not yet over. We're still going to be experiencing some buys, for now, perhaps until the market gives us a third touch confirmation of this rising channel. We're not really sure, but we will see for the weeks to come, for this week going into next week, for the next month of October, as to what is really going on and where the market is gonna go. So that'll be all for USD ZAR. Let's go to USD CHF. Right, with USD CHF, things get very interesting, very interesting indeed. We did have this structure here that we highlighted on the previous video, right? And as we zoom in, we have another expanding triangle going something like so, right? Going something like so, right? We have an expanding triangle. So we did see bars, right? And on the daily chart, this is the daily, we did identify this continuation pattern right here, this one, in which I've already highlighted, which is a flag of sorts, right? A bullish flag, which with the first touch, second touch, third touch, a rise to the high. I expected the market to come to this high here, but for some reason the market just respected this zone here, right? This zone here. And if you go on the 4 hour, all right, we see this pattern quite clearly. So this was around the weekend in which we uploaded the previous video. It was here on the 27th of August, around here, and we identified this structure as a continuation pattern right here, right? As a continuation pattern, and the market did indeed go to the high. We did say that the market is going to rise, and the market rose for a, let's say, 205 pips to the high, but respected this previous resistance right here. Let me put it in the right place, to respect the wicks. But interestingly enough, the market is now breaking today, broke above the structure, or rather the zone, and we're gonna have to see where the market is gonna go. I think, I'm not sure, but I believe that the market, similar to USD CHF, or rather USD ZAR, it is going to continue to the high until we reach this resistance here, and then from there we will see going forward what will happen. I still believe in the fact that the market is going to respect 90%, the 90% rule of this structure here, coming to at least this high, making 90% of the structure, which is, I anticipate, somewhere here, and I believe the market is going to come here. But as of now, I see buy potential for USD CHF similar to USD ZAR. Let's go to USDC, or rather Euro USD, for further analysis, so that we can conclude this video. Last but definitely not least, my favorite pair, Euro USD. We identified a descending channel, right, going to the low, something along these lines here, right? Let me just make quick work of it. Right, here we go, a descending channel, right? And on top of that, we have a continuation pattern that goes something along the lines of this structure here, right? Let's just draw that real quickly. This continuation pattern right here, double bottom over here, right? As you can see, a double top rather over here, and the market has been dropping like nobody's business for over 2,400 pips, right? And you go, if you go on the daily and take a close look, we see a bunch of continuation patterns, going to the low. Hold on, here's one, an expanding triangle to be more specific. Here's one expanding triangle right here. We see another expanding triangle over here, right? And mind you, this is the daily, right? This is the daily chart. We see another one right here. All right. There we go. And one more over here. There's so many of them, it's ridiculous. That's why Eurusd, it has become one of, if not my favorite pair, the one in which I would like to, or I am specializing in as we speak. Right, we see a rising wedge here. I just want to make quick work of this. A rising wedge over here, right? And we see a continuation pattern right here, right? We see, hold on, we see another one right here. We see another one right there, right? So let's go on the 4 hour for further clarity, right? So the market, when we posted the video, it was somewhere here, right? The weekend of the 27th of August 2022, and we saw this structure taking place, this continuation pattern to start with, this one first, and then the market now coming down to give us this structure here, which we thought was a continuation pattern, right? We thought was a continuation pattern to the low, and we thought EURUSD was just going to continue to drop to the low, right? But the market makers had other plans, and they did not validate this pattern. Instead, they evolved the market structure into something else, which is an expanding triangle in and of itself, which is still a continuation pattern to the low. All right, so just because, here's another lesson for you to learn, just because you saw one structure, one continuation pattern, one whatever the case may be, whether it's a head and shoulder, a double bottom, double top, a continuation pattern, or reversal pattern, regardless, just because you saw it similar to what we saw here, doesn't mean that the market is not going to invalidate the structure and build something else, build another structure, build another, evolve into something else, right? So the market then, they gave us a little bit of pips here. I remember this very well. I was in this position, I entered somewhere here, and they gave us what must be 40 pips worth of profits, and I locked in profits, and I thought I'm just gonna hold this, but they came back, hit my break even, and they built this larger structure, which is an expanding a triangle. If you look at it very clearly with this in mind, it's an expanding triangle, right? And this expanding triangle is very interesting because within the structure there is another structure, right? Somewhere along the lines of another expanding triangle over here, right over here. And then now the market has been and then now the market has been dropping like nobody's business. Let's go on the 1 hour to see something. Yeah, the market has been dropping like nobody's business, and as of now I still see Euro USD dropping. I don't see any reversal anytime soon. We'll see if anything happens, but I don't see Euro USD reversing anytime soon. Right, that'll be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found value in it, and also I hope you found it refreshing, motivating, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Again, I'd like to apologize for not posting as consistently as I would like to. Like I said, some things are beyond our control, and load shedding has been a very serious issue, especially in my area. So it's fine. Those are the factors given. There's no use in complaining. Therefore, we will continue with the mission, and we will make it to that millionaire or billionaire status that we dream of so much. But otherwise, if you did find any value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, tell us how you feel, and share this with your friends and family. Also, if you are interested in Euro USD signals, feel free to contact us down below and join our free signal group, in which we have a free signal group as well on our WhatsApp and Telegram. So anytime you feel like entering in there and networking with other traders, having a good time, whatever the case may be, feel free to comment down below and we will get straight back to you. Otherwise, you guys have a good day. Peace out.
Damn, that shit slap.
I know those made it.